Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you about list in Python. So let's start this video. So what are lists and why they are used? For example, we have a variable called person and we want to store values inside it. For example, its name, age, weight, is he married or not, true and false. So if we use a simple variable, we can only store one value. For example, its name. What if we want to store multiple values? So here come list. We can do like this, brackets, and inside we can store values. For example, its name Pratik, we will give comma, we can store its age 24. We can store multiple data types. For example, here we will do integer, and here we will do float. Okay, float will be in decimals. In maths we call it decimal, and in Python we call it float, decimal values. So weight will be 75.6 kg, and is he married or not? No, false. So we can store booleans also, different data types, and we will do enter, and it all got stored. So let's print it out. Print Pratik, person, sorry. So here we have, what if we want to get only one value? For example, we want to get its age. So how we can do it is, we will do print because we want to show it on the screen, and we will do person because we want to call this person and inside that age. Okay, so we will do bracket like this, and it start from 0, not 1. For example, it will start from, if we want to get Pratik, we will do person and here 0. If we want to get 24, we will do 1. Okay, so we will do 1, and we have got the value 24. Let's get another value. For example, we will get its weight. Okay, so guess it, what will be here after person? I hope you have your guess right. It will be 0, 1, 2. Okay, let's do it. Weight, we have got the weight, which is 75.6. Hopefully you have understand about list. List is basically used when we want to store multiple data or multiple data types inside variable. If you want to build AI application exactly like this, you are in luck. I will teach you this inside my school community. You should click top link in the description, that will take you to my school community. So first you will get the course where I will teach you how to create a character AI type AI SaaS which you can sell, where you can also accept payment. So we will be solving a real problem, not directly cloning character AI app, but solving a specific real world problem that requires same solution. Here we will be creating a wife AI app that let videos talk to their dead wife in parallel universes. So when you go to your employer and apply for a job, you can show that you have a creative mind and you can solve real problems, or you can build this app to sell it, or you can use the same idea to create your own solutions for real world problems. By joining the program, you also get my personal assist. I will be there to help you whenever you need. For example, you get stuck to deploying your application, I will be there to help you deploy it. You have an idea for the application you don't know how to build, I will make a tutorial for you. If you have a bug you can't fix, I will help you to fix it. The program is currently $97 a month and $497 a year. I will highly recommend you to go with $497 a year, cause I will be increasing the program rate, cause it will take me a lot of effort, cause I am giving the course, fixing the bug, creating tutorials for your app idea, and available there to help you whenever you need. So see you in the course.